everyone. My topic for presentation today is ITSM. So we start with the introduction of ITSM, whereas ITSM is a set of policies and practices for implementing, delivering, and managing IT services for end users in a manner that meets the stated needs of the users and the stated goals of the business. Next is the intended goal of ITSM is to empower and keep up ideal arrangements, activity, and the executives of each IT asset to each client in all-inclusive endeavor. Now we talk about the ethical philosophies for IT workplace and service environments. First one is incident management. In ITSM talk, an incident is a spontaneous blackout or break in administration. The episode the board characterizes the way toward reacting to an occurrence with the objective of re-establishing the administration with insignificant effect on the clients and the business. Problem management. This is the way towards distinguishing and tending to the underlying driver of an episode, yet in addition the chain of makes driver the main driver and deciding the most ideal approach to take out the underlying driver. The next one is change management in IT. Change is the only constant. Change the executives, otherwise called change enablement, is the foundation of procedures and practices that limit IT administration interruptions, consistent issues, and whatever other hazard that may result from changes made to basic framework. Asset and configuration management. This characterizes forms for approving, checking, and archiving the design of programming and equipment resources used to convey administrations. Next one is social impact of technology in changing the IT services of Microsoft Dynamics. So it supports Internet of Things. Internet of Things associated gadgets are getting progressively well known from equipment and system foundation to electrical apparatus and even conveyance vehicles. So that's all from me. Thank you so much.
Hello, my name is Pradeep and I am going to explain the benefits of ITSM to Microsoft Dynamics. It is the process of delivering, managing, and enhancing IT operations of the business organization. Following are the major benefits of ITSM to Microsoft Dynamics. The company has to make less budgets for the IT operation of the company. It enhances the efficiency of the IT help desk. That means it provides help services, efficiencies, and reduce the workload. Its main focus on the customer satisfaction while giving good service. And next is the influence of human behavior and its impact on the culture of the Microsoft Dynamics. It means the responsiveness of the individual employees or group of employees to the external stimuli of internal stimuli. It mainly determines the motivational factors of the company. IT companies like Microsoft Dynamics requires better communication, problem-solving attitude, decision-making capabilities, etc. to operate the business operation. And next is the what are the skills needed to develop the awareness of the industry certification. Microsoft Dynamics is a cloud-based platform. It helps to make good collaboration between customer relationship management and enterprise resource planning. It is also very important for the company to pursue good skills such as interpersonal management skills, decision making capabilities on the behalf of company. Next slides will be continued by Abdul.
Hey guys, myself Abdul Hafiz. I'm presenting on the cognitive approaches to manage the IT professionals. What this means is like how we can tackle, like how can we manage the professional techniques, and what are the new ideas we can approach. Like we can start with service strategy. We have to create a strategy so we can start with, then design it, and then we can go into transition mode. We can implement the ITSM to the Microsoft Dynamics and see what are the benefits and what are like disadvantages we can improve on. The service operation, like after implementing, this is that stage that we have to look for the feedbacks and understand what customer needs, if these ITSM services issues has been fixed, and continuous service improvement, which is very important that we do not forget that. So next one is coordination of the best practices for the ITSM. So these four things I came up with. Availability management. So if they we can manage the availability, like nowadays we can put a chatbots for 24 hours which can auto response and send the inquiries to the customer service team. And next thing is capacity and performance management, so we can keep an eye on the customer service guys, so managers can keep track of these dashboards or whatever metrics are available to check like how they are performing. Service desk, yes, we can put a service desk as well, so just to get the reporting side. And software development management, so we can look further into development if it is ever needed. And the which this topic is important in terms of professional communication for the ITSM. That like these two things we came up with for Microsoft Dynamic Teams, extra communication is required in simplest form, so our basic user can understand. It will help in implementing IT service management processes, provide better communication with messages or emails or another which or chatbots, which leads to customers like a better understanding and less wait time when explaining the issues. So that's most probably we can figure out the ITSM issues. And now I'll ask Hadia to present, start from after me. Thank you.
Hi everyone, today I'm gonna talk about ITSM processes within the business. What is ITSM Service Desk? ITSM Service Desk is one of the most primary field of IT service management. Microsoft Dynamics issues can be managed and organized in a systematic manner through ITSM Service Desk. ITSM Framework. Microsoft Dynamics have multiple ITSM framework in which the most common and acceptable framework is ITIL. Framework for developing the career range. To make the career range easy for its users, a framework is being chosen and built. Aim of framework. Framework focuses on providing support to lifelong career development. The framework defines and reports the skill which can help individuals acknowledge their skills easily. Career management skill refers to individuals' career development in a market. It has four themes: self, strengths, horizons, and networks. IT industry and its global nature. IT industry has been growing rapidly, and the researchers propose that IT companies can globally reach to its requirement using the following four stages: entry for new countries to increase the business, product specialization, value chain implementation, and expansion of. So, ITSM can be concluded as is a core discipline within any corporation, whether be it ad hoc to the major corporations, where ITSM is a key business service which includes all other infrastructure. These are the references from where we have taken the. Thank you for listening.